Hey guys, it's Mike at Ophelias Blue Vine Farm, and here we've just finished cutting fresh rosemary for all of our 14 Hy-Vee supermarket stores. And rosemary, what an incredible herb right here. I mean, look at this. The flavor is amazing. Our rosemary is probably the best in the world. What makes our rosemary so extraordinary is our soil, a fungally dominated soil full of life. And these sprigs of rosemary, the flavor is just amazing. Our rosemary is perfect for veal, pork, and lamb, and I wouldn't recommend barbecuing without it. It adds an incredible flavor. Look at these sprigs. Just so fresh, you'll be surprised. Look at that. Just so fresh, you'll be surprised by our rosemary. So again, I invite you to try Ophelias Blue Vine Fresh Rosemary right now, and 14 Hy-Vees in the Kansas City metro area. For more info, you can go on our website, opheliasbluevine.com. But please take advantage this week. And I guarantee that if this isn't the best rosemary that you've ever had, reach out to me at opheliasbluevine.com and I'll buy it back. It's a phenomenal product in stores right now.